How to use and install Google Play Store in your iPhone. So for this, I will show you some of the researched genuine steps for you. You can follow them on your device. While you can not directly download and install the Google Play Store on iPhone, there are alternative methods that you can provide access to the Android apps on your iOS device. But do it on your own risk because these applications sometimes take usually malfunctions. Third party app store. You simply have to download Tutu app or the App Valley application and download the application, the Play Store from there, and then you can simply install it in your iPhone. You have to use for jailbreaking your iPhone using some softwares like install Android emulator on your iPhone. You can download any Android emulator and you can use it to stimulate your applications in your iOS that are for Android. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.